let's learn how to configure the layout and flow of your custom form using the Form Pages section. In Form Pages, you could select how many pages you want your form to contain, which modules to use, and where to use them. In my example business, I want to display 3 pages. To add a new page, simply click Add New Page, and to delete, click Delete Page. On the first page, we're going to collect the customer's address, ask all of our custom field questions, and have the customer confirm the square footage of their home or area. On the second page, we're going to collect the lead's contact information and calculate the estimate cost. On the final page, we will display the aerial view of their home, display the results of the estimate, and show the final report link. You could simply drag and drop any module you wish to use between all of your existing pages. When you're done, hit Save Changes and that's it. Explore all of our modules and make sure to check back often as we're always adding more. For more info, you can hover over any module's question mark for a brief description of the module's functionality. For another small touch, you could customize the animation type that moves the user from page to page right here. Get creative and play with the different combinations of modules and layouts.